Yes, welcome to this video. So myself, PRU, Assistant Professor, EC Department, R&D Engineering College. So already I posted that ECG recording system part 1 video. In that video, already we discussed about what is that theory and principles of ECG wave and ECG signals, how the electrodes are placed by using the three-lead Enthoven triangle system. So today I'm going to demonstrate you how the ECG signals are recorded in the labs by with the help of virtual labs sponsored by IIT Roorkee in Biomedical Instrumentation Lab. So I apologize my sincere thanks to Biomedical Instrumentation Lab Virtual Labs IIT Roorkee. So let's go to the IIT Roorkee Virtual Labs website. So just in your Google search, just type biomedical instrumentation V labs. So a lot of V labs are shown here. So here in this tab, you have to choose in the first one, that is biomedical instrumentation lab. Just click this one. There are a lot of initiative of MHRD, lot of virtual apps are listed here. So in this list, we are going to select Biomedical Instrumentation Lab sponsored by IIT Roorkee. So here, go to list of experiments and select that monitoring of electrocardiogram ECG for bipolar limb plates L1, L2, and L3. And students, I recommend you before in the first video you've gone through, you have get an idea about the basics of ECG signal. So based on the knowledge, just you first you have complete that pre-test. So questions are asking here. So just you have to select the answer and submit the quiz. Taking the quiz, after that you are going to read that procedure. So how to do that experiment by connecting the lead 1, lead 2, and lead 3. Step by step procedure they given. Then go to simulation. We have to select which one. First I'm going to select lead 1. So in this lead 1, so here also instruction is there. Just go to instruction, you check that connect left arm to positive point of APM, right arm to negative point of APM, left arm to positive point. Just go to connect left arm to positive point and right arm to negative point and right leg to ground as per the lead 1 position. So after that you have to check your connection is correct. Yes, the correct connection. After that, go to, if the connection is wrong, just go to reset and again do the connection. If the connection is correct, you will Windows you looking like this here, right? So now I'm going to click play and pause window. So I don't know whether my Windows support for this video, but anyway, if you are Windows supporting to this software, it is automatically that simulation output shown here. But in my laptop version, it is not unable to view. So what I'm going to use, just right click and save video. The video is downloaded. Video is downloaded. After that, I'm going to check the output of this lead 1 by opening this video. So your output is stored in form of video. So this is what your lead 1 output will measure by lead 1 electrodes placement through the CRO. Similarly, we have to do this same procedure, then reset all those things, go to back and select lead 2, and again you have to do the connection left leg to the positive terminal, right arm to the negative terminal, and right leg to the ground. Same procedure. Check the connection is correct. Yes, and do for simulation. Place and right click, save video or open video in need tab. Yes, this Windows is not supported for this live simulation. So I'm going to save that video. After that, I'm running this video. Probably if you have a higher end versions, it will be over Q, so that we get the QRX complex wave here based on the lead to output. Similarly, I have to reset and go to back and check that lead 3 output. So this is what we learned from the theory that will be using the virtual lab. We have to verify that whether the theory is working properly or not. It is not a new. It is already for long years back. We use this method to measure the ECG waveform. But you people, as the engineer, you have to imagine that, or you have to prepare, or you have to apply your knowledge for changing better for this measurement system. Similarly, for this lead 3, left leg connected to positive terminal, right leg connected to left arm connected to negative terminal, and right leg connected to ground. Yes. So as per the lead 3 placements, just check the connection. This connection is correct. Then go to play the video and save as video. So by the way, we have to verify that whether our lead one, lead two, lead system is how this ECG recording system is working in this laboratory. So I request you to design a ECG recording system by using instrumentation amplifier and purchase a ECG electrode and try to do practically in your labs this experiment. Right? Thank you. We are going to see in the next video later. Thank you.